Hey, I've had my Blackstone for a few years now. I love cooking with it, but there's starting to be some wear and tear on the griddle itself. So I was sent this 36-inch griddle cover to check out and review. So we'll set it up, give you my thoughts. This kit comes with a few different things. There's an abrasive sponge here. This will work nice to clean your grill top. You got like this retractable bowl. You can put some soap and water, whatever you're using to clean. This comes with a scraper. I already have one of these, but it's nice to have another. It's got a nice sharp edge on the bottom. This will work nice to scrape and clean off the grill. This has a silicone mat for your shelf on the side, and you can kind of lay all your cooking tools on here, but this is kind of nice for the side shelf. And then the main piece of this, and why I really wanted to check this out, is the cover itself. So this cover is silicone. This cover is designed to perfectly set in your grill top here. We store our Blackstone outside usually. You got weather and rain that can get on this, and we had a little problem of some mice getting on our grill top and leaving some droppings. That was disgusting. But now with this silicone cover, hopefully they don't smell the grill top as much, and if they do get on this, they're gonna put their droppings on the cover, not on the grill that we're gonna cook our food with. This is gonna be nice and easy to clean off. When you're ready to cook, this pulls right off. I love how this lays over the edges as well, because this is gonna protect the sides of the griddle. You can see this is aged a little bit. We got a little bit of rust, but hopefully I can get a few more years out of this thing using this protection. And then we also have a metal cover here, still fits right on. And we were covering this, but like I said earlier, the mice were still getting in underneath, but now my grill top is protected. You can store everything on your cooktop and cover it all for when you're ready to cook. Now keep in mind, this is just a cover for protection. You're not gonna wanna cook on this. That's not what it's designed for. It's designed to protect. So I really like that it comes with this grill cover, and I love the accessories with it as well. We're gonna use this to maintain and clean our grill.